Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to share your Instagram story highlights with a group. Whether you're looking to share memories, moments, or important updates, this guide will walk you through the steps to send a story from your highlight to a group on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Tap on it to go to your profile. Next, under your bio, you'll find your highlights. These are the curated collections of stories that you've chosen to keep visible on your profile. Tap on the highlight that contains the story you want to share. This will open up all the stories saved in that highlight. Now, scroll through until you find the specific story you wish to send. Once you've located it, tap on it to view it in full screen. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Send. Click on this button to proceed. After tapping Send, a list of options will appear. Here, you can select the group you want to share this story with. If you don't see the group right away, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find it. If you'd like, you can also add a personal touch by writing a message before sending it off. This is optional, but can be a great way to provide context or express your thoughts about the story you're sharing. Once you're satisfied with your message, simply click on Send, and there you have it. You've successfully shared a story from your highlight with a group on Instagram. It's a straightforward process that allows you to keep your friends or followers updated with your favorite moments. Remember, sharing highlights is a fantastic way to engage with those who matter most in your life. So go ahead and start sending those stories today. Thank you for tuning in, and happy sharing.